Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Hey, I'm trying to decide between two Philips espresso machines, the EP5447/94 and the EP4347/94. Both seem pretty similar, and I'm hoping you can break it down for me.
Sure thing. I've been looking at those too. Let's see, the EP5447/94. That's the renewed one, right? It's listed around $799.
Yeah, that's the one. And the other, the EP4347/94, is around $699 new. So price is definitely a factor.
Both have the LatteGo system, which is Philips' easy clean milk frother, and ceramic grinders that should last for about 20,000 cups. That's a huge plus in my book.
Agreed. I hate cleaning milk frothers. What about the coffee they can make?
Okay, this is where it gets a little interesting. The EP5447/94 boasts 12 different coffee varieties, while the EP4347/94 advertises 8. So you get more options with the 5400. Both use the aroma extract system for optimal brewing temperature.
12 sounds tempting, but do I really need that many? What about customization?
Both have customizable settings for intensity, coffee, and milk length. The 4300 series has a My Coffee Choice menu and allows you to save 2 user profiles and a guest profile. You can save your favorite customized recipes. The 5400 also has a coffee customizer with an extra shot function for a more intense flavor.
Okay, extra shot sounds good. Dimensions-wise, they're pretty close, right?
Yep, both are around 15 inches deep, 10 inches wide, and 17 inches tall. The weight is also similar, around 18 pounds each.
So it sounds like the key differences are really the price, the number of coffee varieties, and that extra shot feature.
Pretty much. And the fact that the 5447 is a renewed product. It's also worth noting that the 4300 series has a touchscreen interface, while the 5400 has buttons. It really boils down to whether you want those extra coffee options and the extra shot enough to justify the higher price and a renewed machine. Plus, the 4300 has an AquaClean filter.
That AquaClean filter on the 4300 is useful. Okay, that helps a lot. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.